the expectations. Kia Motors came to India with a vision to win the hearts of the young car buyers. With their futuristic products and dynamic designs, which are inspired by India. In April 2017, KMIL laid the foundation of a new manufacturing facility in Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh, with a capital investment of 2 billion USD, with an aim to produce approximately 3 lakhs units per year. With the badass by design, Seltos, extravagant by design, Carnival, and wild by design, Sonnet, KMIL has surprised the Indian car buyers and revolutionized the Indian automobile industry. With the new dealership of Kia Motors, a new wing in the name of Rudra Kia is born to take the company reach a new zenith.
Hi, myself Devrup Rudra. I am the director of Rudra Group of Companies and managing director of Rudra Kia. Today we are opening our Kia showroom on 14th of October, and it gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you all to come forward and see our showroom and experience our product. If we see the Indian market in the last 4 or 5 years, we have seen there has been a huge growth in the SUV segment, mainly because the infrastructure coming up, the numerous development going up across. So we have seen the SUV segment predominantly growing very fast in compared to other segments, and this is exactly where Kia Motors comes in.
Hi, I am Anirban Rudra. We have opened our Kia Motors showroom on 14th October this year. I wish all the inhabitants of Asansol, Durgapur and its surrounding district to experience our product and also experience the power to surprise. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Avrup Rudra. It gives us a lot of happiness that we are operational now in Asansol as Rudra Kia. You see, when the badass Seltos combines with the wild Sonnet, it has to be an extravagant carnival, just like our Durga Puja and Diwali. So I would urge all of you to come down and experience all these 3 fantastic models of Kia. Wishing you a very happy and safe Durga Puja and Diwali. Thank you.
Rudra Groups, and the journey continues.
Check. Wow. Happy future. আমরা তো দেখে ফেলেছি Mr. Devrup Rudra কে এখানে কথা বলার. Now, should we call him on stage and make him say few words for us, right? I think we deserve that, to know what his thoughts are. And I'm sure he's very excited. তো সবাই মিলে একবার জোরে হাততালি হোক স্যারের জন্য. Come on, সবাই মিলে. Welcome on stage, sir. Young, dashing and handsome. Wow. Yes, sir. All yours.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Firstly, a big thank you to everybody present here who has taken time out of the busy schedule to join hands on this special and auspicious occasion. My first experience with brand Kia was in US back in the year 2017, and that was the time when Kia actually tied up with the Andhra Pradesh government, and it was all over the news. That was the time when I actually knew that this is the brand which I want to venture in the future. I applied for this dealership in 2017 and finally signed up in December 2019. Although the journey has been very short, but it has been very satisfying. The country is still going through a pandemic, but Kia Motors have supported their dealers pretty well. We have seen that all over the news. I'm a FADA member myself, and I've read a lot of stuff about Kia Motors showing their hands or supporting the dealers in this tough situation. I expect the same for our dealership as well. The badass Seltos, the extravagant Carnival, and now recently launched the Wild by Design Sonnet has changed the dynamics of Indian automobile industry completely. This is the start of Rudra Kia, a start to take the journey forward, a start to inspire many, a start to create memories, and a start to create new history. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Well said, sir. I'm sure Rudra Group is bound to take the next heights. Well, with this, can we have the next presentation of Rudra Group philosophy? well. Wasn't that great? আমি একটা জিনিস বুঝতে পারছি না আপনারা হাত তালি মারছেন না কেন? Why isn't anyone clapping? That's what I'm not understanding. পিছনে why? মানে all okay? Busy girlfriend wife no তাহলে colleague तो तालियां मार दीजिए ना एक बार चलिए जोरों से you can keep those and then clap okay sir did you like it any review no SBI के ब्रांच मैनेजर है अच्छा इनको पटा के रखना है क्या इंश्योरेंस ये सब के लिए है ना इनको इनवाइट करें ना इनका नाम क्या है Bimal Kumar अच्छा so I would request Mr. Bimal Kumar to please come on stage and say a few words कोई बात नहीं सर मुझे कोरोना नहीं हुआ है कोई बात नहीं आ जाइए तबीयत ठीक नहीं तो आप यहाँ पे बैठ के बोल सकते हैं अच्छा बोलने इच्छा नहीं ओके इनवाइट किए इसलिए आए हैं तो कोई बात नहीं इनके लिए तालियां तो मार ही सकते हैं हम लोग है ना विमल सर के लिए चलिए तो नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू do the website launch and that will be launched by Mr. Aviroop Rudra, Director of Rudra Care. Aviroop sir kothay? Dekhte pachchen na to? Aviroop sir kothay? Okay, he's here. But before we launch the website, we would request you to say a couple of words. We want... okay. Few words, sir? Regarding, okay, you don't want to say. Okay, not a problem. So we still have time to launch the website. It's taking a little time. So what we are going to do is, क्या करें? सारे तो मास्क पहन के बैठे हैं. चलिए. अच्छा, tell me one thing. Who is a good singer out here? कौन सबसे अच्छा गाना गाता है? मैं तो किसी को personally नहीं जानती हूँ. चलिए, खुला मैदान मिल रहा है गाना सुनाने के लिए. कौन अच्छा गाना गाता है कोई नहीं यार बहुत बोरिंग हो आप लोग सच में ओके तो लेट्स लॉन्च द वेबसाइट फर्स्ट उसके बाद मुझे पता है आपने इनको पॉइंट किया है ना हेलो आपने इनको पॉइंट किया था ना इनको ये अच्छा गाना गाते हैं ना दोनों अच्छा गाना गाते हैं ठीक है वेबसाइट लॉन्च कर ले उसके बाद बुलाते हैं दोनों के चलिए अविरूप सर एक बार जोरों से तालियां तो होनी चाहिए इनके लिए कम ऑन एवरीवन थैंक यू सो मच वाओ आई विश आई वाज वन ऑफ द ओनर्स ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल कार So this was our website. I think we deserve a huge round of applause for creating such amazing website for us. Well, before we move forward, I would request Mr. Nishant Sidhu to please come on stage and say a few words for us. Okay, Mr. Nitin, Mr. Nishant, I don't think he could make it today, but not a problem. Next time, I'm sure he's going to be here with us. Till then, Nitin, I would request you to please come on stage and say a few words for us. Where are you again? I think he's... Okay, he's here. Can we clap for him, everyone? Huge round of applause for Nitin.
Congratulations once again to Aviroop ji and Devroop ji and sir for the opening and welcome to Kia first of all and to the sales team all the best. We'll be driving a lot of numbers and I'm sure that customer experience is going to be the paramount importance for all of you. All the best for the future and congratulations once again and to the Rudra family and welcome to Kia. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Those were some beautiful words said by him. Well, next we move on to the unveiling of lead car. Kia Sonet. It was launched in the 18th of September in India 2020. It's wild by design. It's ventilated seat, Bose sound system, and the best part is we have 3 engine options. That is 1.5 diesel, 1.0 petrol turbo, 1.2 petrol along with transmission options, DCT 6-speed torque, converter automatic transmission, and manual mission. Well, it has already created a revolution since it was launched, becoming the highest selling product across India for the month of September in sub-4 meter SUV segment. So, ladies and gentlemen, should we unveil the lead car? Yes, I need to hear a huge round of applause. Come on, everyone, big clap. There we go. And to unveil this beauty that we have, I would request Mr. Anirban Rudra to please come forward, and Mr. Dipan Mondal with both of you to please come on stage. And also Mr. Abhirup and Mr. Devrup to please come ahead. And Mr. Shamal Kanto Ghosh. I think he's the first customer who brought this product from us, and I think he deserves a huge, huge, big round of applause. Jore hat tali shobai mile. Come on, for being the best and first customer of ours. Thank you so much, sir. I wish you could give this card to me and I'll take back to Kolkata. Thank you so much, sir. Would you like to say a few words for us and for the guest?
I want to take the car. I am so happy to receive now. It is very delighted. I am so hope that I can now purchase and taking the car at present. It is a memorable moment in my life now. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. So you need to be here. You need to open this beauty and take home with you. Yes, everyone, jore hat tali, shobha mile, come on. Thank you so much. And congratulations to be the sole owner of this beautiful piece that you'll be taking home along with you today. Onek onek congratulations apnarke and also apnar family derke. Okay, and good news is jara test drive nite chan amader test drive gari baire royeche. Whoever wants to take a test drive, please go out and take a test drive of this beauty. I know I am going to take this once the show is over, if I am allowed. Okay. My God, ऐसा लग रहा है he's not stopping smiling only. My goodness, sir. इसको क्या मैं कोलकाता ले जा सकती हूँ? No, no, you won't allow me to take to Kolkata. क्यों आपको ले जाऊँगी ना इसके साथ? तो आपने कि नहीं जाबो आमार साथे? Drive जाबो आमरा कोलकाता. आपने नहीं जाबेन तो? Okay, can we have a huge round of applause for him, everyone? Thank you so much. Well, after this we have a cake cutting ceremony, but before that, anyone who wants to take a test drive, we have a test drive car right outside parked. You can go ahead and get that done. And also our snacks counter is open. যাদের খিদে পাচ্ছে আপনারা খেতে পারেন। Okay, so I can see this beautiful girl out here. I want to talk to her. Come on now, get up. Corona nahi to? Go Corona, go. Go Corona, go. Nahi to? Okay. চলে আসুন আমার না খুব একটা গান শোনার ইচ্ছা করছে কিন্তু কেউ গান করে না I know youngsters they don't want to sing you have to force them to sing so we have one here and you can't sing at all Bangali গান any song I will sing along with you, but I think I'll get you a partner. That'll be better. There was one guy out there who was willing to sing. Where is it? Where is he? ওখানে একজন ছিলেন যারা বলছিলেন গান করবেন কোথায় হারিয়ে গেছে হারিয়ে গেছে ও আনতে গেছে কোথায় I think we already have a female singer for us. We need a male singer as well. Where is he? Call him কোথায় ताड़ाताड़ी If I start singing मैं इतना श्योर हूँ कि सब घर जाने वाले हैं Okay कोথায় Or else I'll pull anyone. Where is he? This one. आ जाइए सर, आ जाइए. अरे शर्माने का नहीं, हम लोग सब एक फैमिली है यहाँ पे. We are all family. ठीक है ना? तालियां हो जाए दोनों के लिए. Everyone, they are going to sing for us. Come on, sir. आप लोग भी. Okay. So I have 2 mics out here. Any song you both decide. कौन सा गाना करने वाले हो आप? मेरा भी गला बहुत खराब है. Excuses नहीं चलेगा. चलिए. कोई बात नहीं हम लोग बाथरूम गाना ही सुन लेंगे देवरूप सर अभिरूप सर आप चाहते हो ना ये गाना गाए हमारे लिए देखिए आपके मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही हूँ देखिए वहाँ पे सर लोग बोल रहे हैं नहीं तो सैलरी कट एक दिन की सैलरी कट राइट पकड़िए कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा ओके व्हाट सॉन्ग यू वांट टू सिंग ओपन योर मास्क खोल लीजिए हाँ एनी सॉन्ग अच्छा हिंदी बांग्ला योर फेवरेट सॉन्ग My God. Okay, so what we are going to do is, the boss is out here. Please cut his 1 day salary. It's my request. कोई बात नहीं. Thank you. Anyways, let's clap for him. ये आए वही काफी है. Thank you so much. Any song you want to sing? Even I can't sing properly, but any song.
No, you're a good singer.
I'm a good singer. That. You heard me singing a national anthem.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So I think जिनके दिन हैं उनको ही पूछते हैं वो लोग क्या सुनना चाहेंगे तो सर के पास आती हूँ सर any favorite song any request अब समझ में आया एम्प्लॉयज लोग कितने कंफ्यूज्ड क्यों हैं
Any song of your choice.
सर आज आप लोगों का दिन है ना Okay old song new song 80s Okay fine We're going to do that. You know 80s songs? Old songs? No?
Not much.
Okay, what is your favorite song? Tell me. We'll sing that. Chalo.
No, you choose. You choose.
Okay. तो क्या मेरे लिए हाथ ताली हो सकती है क्या? है ना? आप लोग नहीं गाओगे तो मुझे एंटरटेन करना होगा. है कि नहीं? चलो. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर अच्छा क्लैप एवरीवन कम ऑन है और सबको खबर हो गई
तो क्या
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर बॉयफ्रेंड है डेफिनेटली सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई तो क्या थैंक यू आई थिंक शी डिजर्व्स अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज थैंक यू सो मच व्हाट इज योर नेम
ঐশিকী ঘোষ
ঐশী জন্য সবাই মিলে জোরে হাত তালি at least she came here and she entertained us na that was matter okay thank you so much okay so moving forward let's go to the cake cutting okay so we have one more guest between us before doing the cake cutting ceremony. I would request Mr. Nishant Sidhu, Regional Manager, to please come on stage so that we can felicitate him. And thank you for taking out your precious time and coming here for us. Where is he? And to felicitate him, I would request Mr. Devrup Rudra, Mr. Anirban Rudra, and Mr. Abhirup Rudra to please come on stage and do the honor. Can we have a huge round of applause for this gentleman? Everyone, please come, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here and being a part of us. So this is what I've been telling, that जब भी photo खिंचवाने आओगे, please remove your mask. I'm sure we are taking proper precautions, right, of everyone. No one is gonna go home with corona from here. At least not me. Okay. Well, I would also request Mr. Nishant Sidhu to please say a couple of words for us. Thank you so much for coming, sir.
Thank you so much for everyone to come here and help us facilitate the launch of Rudra Kia in Asansol. We are very excited to be here. आप लोगों के पास में serving Kia cars in Asansol and nearby places. We have a very strong dealer partner here, and I'm sure with the services and with the sales satisfaction and everything, you guys will enjoy having an experience, great experience with Kia Motors. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much, sir. It's an honor to have you here with us. But I don't think we are going to let you go so soon. You need to come once again on stage for the cake cutting ceremony. We want you to be a part of this. And along with that, I would also request Mr. Deepak Kumar Rudra, Mr. Debrup Rudra, Mrs. Chitra Rudra, I think she's here between us, Mr. Anirban Rudra, Mr. Shoman Rudra, and Mr. Abhirup Rudra to please come on stage for the cake cutting ceremony. And can we have a huge round of applause for Rudra Group and the family for opening such amazing showroom for us. Shobai mile ekta chore mishti hat tali hok everyone. Thank you so much.
I'll request Nitin to come, join, and my family members and all my team members to join as well. Please come forward. Everybody come forward, please.
All the team
এগিয়ে
members.
এসো সবাই।
সবার এত করোনার ভয় না, কেউ আসতে চায় না সামনে। Okay, everyone চলে আসো। Okay. Okay, so what we can do is, we can all push a little that side so that হ্যাঁ আর সবাইকে প্লিজ একটু মাস্কটা খুলবেন so that we can have some beautiful amazing pictures and memories taking back home. तो मैं यहाँ से हट जाती हूँ, आप लोग पीछे चले जाओ, पिक्चर्स में आना है ना सारे को. Such amazing beautiful faces we have in the company. I think everyone needs to look good. Wow. Okay. So are you all excited? आप लोग से पूछना है मुझे. Excited? आप लोग सब आसनसोल से हो? Excited ना? चलो मेरे साथ हिप हिप. जमा नहीं यार, थोड़ा जोर से होने चाहिए ना, तब ना मजा आएगा, है कि नहीं? चलिए और एक बार हिप हिप. हिप हिप. हिप हिप. अच्छा बुर्रे होता है कि हुर्रे होता है? सर तो बुर्रे बुर्रे किए जा रहे हैं, क्या बात. चलिए कोई नहीं. Okay, I think you all would want to take pictures of them. I'm leaving the stage and you can do the photo session. अच्छा ऐसे pictures आने वाले हैं क्या? Half यहाँ, half वहाँ. I think all the employees can go at the back and all of you can come a little forward. Yes. Circle the place. हम लोग जब छोटे थे, जब स्कूल में जाते थे, करते थे ना ऐसे, सारे प्रिंसिपल हेडमास्टर्स लोग सामने रहते थे और स्टूडेंट्स लोग सारे पीछे रहते थे, है ना? वही करते हैं. मेरी तरह जो छोटे छोटे हैं वो लोग सामने आ जाए, जो लंबे लंबे हैं पीछे चले जाए, कोई बात नहीं. And open your mask. यार थोड़ा हंसी, a little bit of happiness on the face. Come on, you guys are going to be a part of this amazing group. সবাই মিলে একটা হাততালি হোক. It's only then they are going to get excited. Come on, everyone. Yes. And I think we have all the family members as well, right? No one is lacking or no one is behind. Okay, here. Amader Aishwarya Rai ঢুকছেন. Okay. Okay, you can open your mask. Mask to khule felo. Yes, and anyone else? I can see one more girl running out there. Or naam ta ki? Rakhi Sawant. क्या नाम है उनका? राखी रॉय. अच्छा, राखी सावंत को कट कर देते हैं, राखी रॉय को कास्ट कर लेते हैं. आ जाए. और फैमिली मेंबर्स जितने भी पीछे हैं, যারা পিছনে বসে রয়েছেন আপনারাও আসতে পারেন ফরওয়ার্ড. সবাইকে দেখতে এত দারুণ লাগছে না, আমার মনে হচ্ছে দুর্গাপূজা চলেই এসেছে. ওই দুর্গাপূজা ফিলিং চলে আসছে, তাই না? কি ভালো. হ্যাঁ, বাহ. आई थिंक केक देख के मुझे भी भूख लग रही है. अब शायद केक कटिंग होना ही चाहिए. आई थिंक ही इज ऑल्सो लेफ्ट. सर आप आ जाए यहाँ पे. क्या बात. ओके, एंड कैन वी हैव द नाइफ प्लीज? Knife is ready. Bah, kya baat. Okay. So, the moment that we all were waiting for, the cake cutting ceremony. 1, 2, 3, let's clap for Rudra Group for becoming one amazing family. And let's do the cake cutting ceremony. तालियां रुकने नहीं चाहिए. Keep clapping, come on. And today is the born day of this amazing company. And I hope we are going to cherish this forever and ever. And wishing all of them a huge success. Many, many congratulations to the entire team, official dignitaries of the company. May sky be the limit. क्या बात. Congratulations once again. Okay, thank you so much. Everyone can be seated, and whoever wants to take a test drive, once again, informing everyone to please go outside. Our car is kept outside for the test drive. जिन को भी लेना है ले सकते हो. And as I was saying that the snacks counter is also open. You can have your snacks. With this, आशा करते हैं I'm going to see all of you next year once again. And next year we are going to come up with more amazing time for each and every one of us. With that, this is your host Madhumita signing off for today. Thank you and stay blessed. जाते जाते सभी को और एक बार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Everyone, one big huge last round of applause. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.